Hello everyone, I'm Melih.
And I am Atahan.
In our final project, we decided to implement a very well-known and annoying game, which is Flappy Bird. I mostly worked on design of the graphics.
And I work mostly in code design.
Firstly, we designed the basic game loop and write it down the basic functions that we need. After the design process, we started to implement all the functions that we need individually. Firstly, we created a function to print bird to the LCD screen. For that, we created a PNG file of bird image by drawing it an internet tool which is named pixel art. And after that, we converted it to C-array. This print bird function is used for printing the bird to given position, which is determined by the values in the registers R10 and R11. For whole program, R10 keeps bird current row information and R11 keeps bird current column information. When we successfully print the bird to the screen, then we designed a function to move the bird to another position. For movement of the bird, we kept bird speed and movement direction in the RAM. And the move bird function uses this information in the RAM to move the bird in given directions and given speed. Speed variable determines how many pixels the bird will go in each loop. There is two move direction for bird, up and down, which is same for the original game. After that, to give falling effect to the bird, we write the check speed function. This function is used to determine bird's next speed. When bird is going up direction, this function decreases the speed of the bird. When it is going down, it increases its speed. So the bird looks like having gravity effect.
For user control on the bird, we use generated interrupt by buttons. When up button pressed, interrupt handler works and changes bird's movement information in RAM as up movement and 5 speed. So whatever the speed and direction has bird, it changes and bird moves up. After that, we needed a function to clear bird's current image on the LCD to prevent trace formation. We implemented it as it will clear only bird's pixels and write background color to these pixels. By doing that, we saved performance by not clearing and printing whole screen in each loop. And another challenging part was implementing moving ground and pipes. We did all it in print components function. We created common pattern images for pipes and floor, and we write print functions by using these patterns. To give movement effect, we keep an index value for each pipe and the floor. First, floor printed, then all pipes last write 2 pixels clean to prevent trace. Then handle pipes function checks the position of pipes. If the first pipe disappeared, it creates a second pipe and takes second pipe's information to first pipe in RAM. Clear score function clears the number on top left, and print pipes function prints pipes using information in the RAM. After that, print score function takes the score value from RAM and prints it into score position. This function uses image of each digit 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. to print given score value. After this function, collision check function runs and check whether the bird collided to up or downside of LCD. If it collided, it bounces back. Game will not over due to this collision. We implemented this to make the game easier. Then game over check function runs and checks whether any pixel of the bird is in border of the second pipe or not. If it is, game ends and main loop starts again. If not, bird is printed and loop continues. For each pipe created, which means the bird passed the second pipe, score increases and game continues. Also, we added a delay to adjust speed of the game. And this is the demonstration of our game.